This scene from Squid Game, Season 3. A final supper before the brutal game begins. But wait, what is this dish? If you've ever been to a Korean celebration, you've probably seen this dish. It's called japchae. Even in Squid Game, japchae was chosen for their final meal. Now, let's make this iconic dish ourselves. These are the ingredients you'll need. It's made with fresh, carefully prepared ingredients. A mix of colorful vegetables, glass noodles, and a touch of seasoning. Start by soaking sweet potato noodles in cold water for about 30 minutes. Julienne the carrots, shiitake mushrooms, onion, and bell pepper. Thin slices work best. Mix the shiitake mushrooms with a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, and a dash of sesame oil. Let them soak up the flavor. Rehydrate wood ear mushrooms, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Season thin slices of beef with soy sauce and let them marinate for 10 minutes. This adds a rich, savory base to your japchae. Trim the roots off fresh spinach and wash thoroughly. Blanch in salted, boiling water for a few seconds, then rinse under cold water. Squeeze gently to remove excess water. Season with minced garlic, salt, sesame oil, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. You can also use garlic chives instead of spinach for a different flavor. Separate egg yolks and whites. Add a pinch of salt and lightly beat them. Cook each one into a thin sheet over low heat. Then slice into thin strips. This is your garnish. In a well-oiled pan, stir-fry the carrots. Once softened, add onions, wood ear mushrooms, and bell peppers, seasoned with a pinch of salt. Finally, stir-fry the shiitake mushrooms and the beef. Using chopsticks makes it easier to keep everything moving. In a pot, add water, a ladle of soy sauce, and a bit of cooking oil. Bring it to a boil and cook the noodles for about 2 minutes. Then, rinse and drain well. Transfer the noodles to a pan. Add the seasoning mixture and stir-fry over medium heat for 2 minutes. In a large bowl, combine the noodles, stir-fried vegetables, and a touch of sesame oil. Gently toss to mix. Plate the japchae beautifully. Top it off with a sliced egg garnish. And finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And enjoy your homemade japchae.